Comes with these two remotes, and they're already paired with the bridge. So when I click this one of these remotes, the red light here should come on over the valve. Off and on. But it hasn't been synchronized with the Bulldog control module yet, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we'll need to pair this to our local Wi-Fi and set it up in the eWeLink app. And then we're going to set up a couple simple routines that synchronize these two devices, the bridge and the Bulldog control module. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you how to delete any paired devices from the bridge, and then we'll start over and pair them again. So you can't delete paired devices one at a time. You have to delete all of them, or none of them, I guess. So you just hold down the green button for about 5 seconds until the light blinks, and now these aren't paired anymore, so this should do nothing. Alright, so that's not working anymore. So quickly, let's just pair these two first. That's a very easy process. You don't need the app or anything for that. You just click this once and it's blinking red, and then you hold down the remote for about 3 seconds, and now you can see it, you can hear it clicking, that light's coming off and on. This is paired and this one isn't. So let's pair it right now. So I'm just going to click the green arrow button, circle button once. You can't see it there, but it's blinking. I hold this down, it stops blinking, and now this is paired. So I've paired the two remotes with this box, and now we need to set the automation so that these two boxes are synchronized. So first we have to pair this device through the eWeLink app. And the best way to get it into pairing mode is just unplug it and plug it back in. And this blue light needs to triple blink. And let's do that. All right, give it a second to boot up. Okay, so it's triple blinking. I'm in the eWeLink app, but I'm going to do the quick pairing option for a single device. And now it's looking for it. And it should take about 20 or 30 seconds. All right, so it's found it. It's registering. It's going to go through a few steps. All right, so it gives me a chance to rename it here. All right, so now the bridge is there, and now I can turn it off and on with my phone. You can hear it click and see it, but it's still not synchronized with the valve, and there's some easy steps to do that. I'm just going to set up a scene. So I'm going to add a scene, and I'm going to start with the bridge. So whenever the bridge changes its condition from the red light on or off, I'm going to set the Bulldog control module on or off to synchronize it. So we want a smart device, we want the bridge. So whenever the bridge is on, I want to turn on the Bulldog control module. There's the Bulldog, so I want that to come on. All right, save, and I'll call that bridge valve on. All right, so that's done. So let's add another routine that copies when it's off. So whenever the bridge is off, bridge off. Whenever it's off, I want to turn off the valve. Turn that off. Save. I'll give it a name. I'm going to save. All right, so now whenever I click the bridge off and on, let's try it. It should turn off the Bulldog control module. Off and on. There, okay, there you go. It's simulating it. Now, that off and on. And the buttons will do the same thing now. All right. Okay, so it's kind of half synchronized, except now when I turn it off on this end, nothing's going to happen. The valve's going to go off, but this doesn't change state, so it's not matching. So let's just set the two simple routines to make that match. All right, so I want to add a new routine. This time I'm going to start with the trigger will be the Bulldog valve itself. So whenever it goes on, I want it to turn on the bridge. Alright, so now these should be all synced. Let's see if this works on this side now. Alright, so they both went off, the valve's going off. They both went on, the valve's going on. And I can click either button. Valve goes off and on. Valve goes off and on, and I can click this button as well. Everything's off. So there you go. That's how you set up the remote bridge. A couple other things I wanted to note that you should set in your settings is on the bridge. If you lose power, you should set the power on state to last state so that if you lose power it doesn't change anything. And you should also repeat that for the Bulldog valve itself. And I think I probably already said it here, but I'll just show it. Power on state is last state. That's what it should be set to. And that's it.